Let me start with a situation that happens in almost every company. You are sitting in a meeting and your manager suddenly asks, "We need $150,000 in monthly revenue. Based on our current business, what price should we charge?" Now, at that moment, you have two choices. You either start doing math in your head or you open Excel and let it solve the problem in seconds. Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using GoalSeek in Excel. So, in this video, you will learn what GoalSeek is, why data analysts and business teams use that, and how to use it step by step using a real revenue scenario. So GoalSeek is a part of Excel vertif analysis tool. In the previous video, we used data table where we changed inputs and saw how outputs changed. GoalSeek works the opposite. Instead of asking if input changes, what happens to output, GoalSeek asks if this is the output I want, what input do I need to change? Right? So this is extremely helpful when businesses work with targets. So let's say as a data analyst, we consistently get target-based questions like how many customers do we need to hit uh, revenue goals, or what price should we charge to reach profit targets, how much growth is required next quarter. So GoalSeek helps answer these questions instantly. It saves time, remove guesswork, and most importantly, it saves you from doing stressful mental math during meetings. So here we have a SaaS subscription business. We have two main inputs. Firstly, we have monthly subscription price, and then we have the number of active users. And revenue is calculated by multiplying these two values. So right now, the price is $20, and the number of users we have are 5,000, and the total revenue becomes 100,000. So just a quick note is GoalSeek works only when you already have a working formula like this one. So now imagine management says we want $150,000 every month as a revenue, and we expect users to stay at 5,000. The question becomes, what price should we charge, right? So for this, firstly, I would go to data tab, and then I would go over to vertif analysis, and then I would click on the GoalSeek. Here I would need to select three values or populate three values. So here set value means the result that we want to control. So this is the result that we want to control. This would basically the formula. And next we have to value, which means the target revenue that we want to achieve. So we can simply type it like 150,000, and by changing cell means which input Excel can adjust. So as I said, like we want to keep the 5,000 users, but we want to check how much subscription value we should like set in order to get 150,000. So I will just select this one, and when I will click OK, so as you guys can see, like it has changed its price from $20 to $30. So yeah, I didn't guess this number. Excel calculated it automatically. So this type of analysis is commonly used in pricing control and financial planning. So whenever I'll just click OK, the data would be saved, and if I'll click cancel, I will get back to my previous numbers. So let me just click OK, and let me just undo that. Okay, I'm back. So now the let's flip the situation. Assume the price is fixed at $20, but the management wants to reach, let's say, $200,000 revenue. Now the question becomes, how many users do we need? Again, I'll go to data, and then I will go to vertif analysis, and then goal seek. So I'll just click here, and then I will go to goal seek so that it automatically picks this value. Otherwise, I can just refer to that. And then the true value would be 200,000 because that is something that we want to achieve. So it would become this one. And then by changing value is this right now, because here we want to check how many users we need to have in order to get $200,000 revenue, right? So when I will click OK, so as you can see, like I need 10,000 users in order to get 200,000 of revenue. So yes, this type of analysis is extremely helpful for marketing targets and growth planning. And again, one important limitation of goal seek is it can only change one variable at a time. You cannot ask Excel to adjust price and user together using goal seek, right? So yeah, in today we actually learned how goal seek has reverse calculation. It has find required inputs for the target results, and it is extremely helpful, useful in uh, pricing, finance, and growth strategy. So yeah, if you find this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what Excel or Power BI topic you want next. Thanks for watching. and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.